Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. I wish all of you good health. Let's start today's video.
Boost your testosterone naturally, a complete guide. Are you a man over 30 struggling with low energy, decreased libido, and loss of muscle mass? You might be dealing with low testosterone. Testosterone is the key male hormone responsible for maintaining muscle mass, bone density, sex drive, sperm production, and more. Unfortunately, after age 30, a man's testosterone levels naturally begin to decline by about 1% per year. The good news is, you can boost your body's natural testosterone production through simple diet and lifestyle changes, starting with a potent, homemade testosterone-boosting elixir. Keep watching to learn the recipe and reap the benefits of higher T. Understanding low testosterone. Low testosterone, or low T, is incredibly common in men over 30. In fact, it's estimated that 40% of men over age 45 have clinically low testosterone levels. The symptoms can be subtle at first but gradually worsen over time, including decreased libido and erectile dysfunction, low energy and fatigue, loss of muscle mass and increased body fat, depressed mood and brain fog, thinning hair and skin. If these symptoms sound familiar, know that you're not alone and there are natural solutions to help turn back the clock on your testosterone levels. The testosterone-boosting elixir, ingredients and benefits. The first powerhouse ingredient in our homemade testosterone tonic is pumpkin seeds. Just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds contains 74% of your daily value of zinc, an essential mineral for testosterone production. Zinc deficiency is closely linked with low T levels. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in magnesium, another crucial mineral for healthy testosterone levels. Magnesium supplementation has been shown to increase both free and total testosterone values in men. Toss a quarter cup of raw pumpkin seeds into a food processor or blender. Next, add in 4 to 5 Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are one of the best dietary sources of selenium, a trace mineral with powerful antioxidant properties. Selenium helps protect the testes and sperm from oxidative stress and damage. One study found that men with the highest levels of selenium had 33% higher testosterone levels compared to those with the lowest levels. Brazil nuts are also a good source of the amino acid arginine, which relaxes and dilates blood vessels, improving blood flow and erectile function. Pulse the Brazil nuts and pumpkin seeds together until a fine crumbly texture is achieved. Adding spices for enhanced benefits. Transfer the pumpkin seed and Brazil nut mixture to a bowl. Now it's time to spice things up with a dash of ground nutmeg and cinnamon. Nutmeg has long been used in traditional medicine as an aphrodisiac to boost libido. The active ingredient in nutmeg, myristicin, has been shown to increase the release of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, enhancing mood and sexual desire. Cinnamon, meanwhile, improves circulation by relaxing and dilating blood vessels. Proper blood flow is essential for strong erections and sexual function. Studies have also found that cinnamon supplementation can significantly increase sperm count, motility, and viability, important factors for male fertility. Add 1/4 teaspoon each of ground nutmeg and cinnamon to the bowl. Fenugreek and maca root, ancient remedies for modern benefits. Fenugreek is an herb that has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to enhance male virility and vitality. Modern research has confirmed fenugreek's testosterone-boosting powers. In one study, 30 college-aged men took a fenugreek supplement for 8 weeks. The results were impressive: a significant increase in testosterone levels, as well as greater muscle mass and strength. Another study on 50 men found that taking fenugreek daily improves sexual function and increased testosterone levels by up to 46%. To harness these benefits, we'll be adding a tablespoon of fenugreek powder to our elixir. Look for fenugreek powder at health food stores, Indian grocery stores, or online. Maca root is a Peruvian superfood prized for its ability to enhance energy, mood, and sexual function. Maca works by normalizing the body's stress response and balancing the endocrine system, including the hypothalamus, pituitary, and adrenal glands, all of which play a role in testosterone production. A 2015 study found that maca supplementation for 12 weeks significantly improved sexual desire and erectile function in men with mild erectile dysfunction. Add a teaspoon of gelatinized maca powder to the bowl. Gelatinized maca is easier to digest than raw maca powder. The final touch, raw cacao powder. Time to sweeten up our testosterone tonic with a spoonful of raw cacao powder. Cacao is one of the richest dietary sources of magnesium, supplying 27% of the daily value in just 1 tablespoon. As mentioned, magnesium is crucial for testosterone production. Cacao is also loaded with flavonols, potent antioxidants that improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. This is important for sexual function, as erectile dysfunction is often an early warning sign of cardiovascular disease. Look for raw cacao powder rather than Dutch processed cocoa powder, as the latter is treated with alkali which destroys many of the beneficial flavonols. Add 1 tablespoon of raw cacao powder to the bowl and mix all the ingredients together until well combined. How to use the elixir. Congratulations, you've now made a powerful homemade testosterone-boosting tonic. Here's a quick recap of the ingredients. 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, 4 to 5 Brazil nuts, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon fenugreek powder, 1 teaspoon gelatinized maca powder, 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder to use. Simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the mixture to yogurt, smoothies, oatmeal, or any other food of your choice. You can stir it into some plain Greek yogurt for a protein and testosterone-boosting snack. Additional tips to boost testosterone. In addition to adding this testosterone-boosting elixir to your daily routine, here are some other diet and lifestyle tips to maximize your body's natural testosterone production. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Sleep deprivation can drastically lower testosterone levels. Exercise regularly. Lift weights and do high-intensity interval training to boost testosterone and build lean muscle. Avoid chronic cardio, which can lower T levels. Minimize stress. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can lower testosterone. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Eat healthy fats. Monounsaturated and saturated fats from foods like olive oil, avocados, eggs, and grass-fed meat are building blocks for testosterone. Avoid trans fats and limit polyunsaturated fats. Get enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is a steroid hormone involved in testosterone production. Get 20 to 30 minutes of direct sunlight daily, or supplement with 2,000 to 5,000 IU of vitamin D3 per day. Limit alcohol. Excessive alcohol intake can lower testosterone levels and impair sexual function. Stick to 1 to 2 drinks per day maximum. Conclusion. Reclaim your vitality. There you have it, a simple homemade recipe to help boost your body's natural testosterone production, along with diet and lifestyle tips to maximize your T levels. Remember, low testosterone is incredibly common in men over 30, but it doesn't have to be a life sentence. With the right nutrition, lifestyle habits, and natural testosterone boosters like this potent elixir, you can reclaim your manhood and enjoy more energy, muscle, and virility well into your 40s, 50s, and beyond. Give this testosterone tonic a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family who need this information. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and updates. Your support is important for us to continue providing valuable content. You can also show appreciation and support for our work by clicking the join and thanks buttons below the video with a small token. Your journey to better health is a shared one, and together we can uplift each other towards wellness and a life full of movement and joy. Remember, your body is capable of remarkable healing, given the chance and the right support. Treat it with care, patience, and love. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.